D7. Prevent recurrence. The intention of D7 is to document down and share the lessons learned, to prevent recurrence of same or similar issue, on similar products, similar processes, or at sister plants. The typical actions to prevent recurrence are improving the management system, or management policy. This generally involves multiple departments or organizations. For example, production loading procedure. Some companies have policy that maximum 95% of full capacity only could be planned or loaded. This is to ensure the machines have time for preventive maintenance, or even unscheduled downtime. Another example is implementing process change control. There is a board, generally consists of senior staff. They own reviewing all the supporting data provided by change proposer, before approving the change. Some companies insist on implementing first article inspection, before pumping in more volume into production, though this will slow down the production a bit. Another typical actions to prevent recurrence is improving business process, operation system, operation practices, or process flow. For example, improve ECO process. ECO stands for Engineering Change Order. Enhance the ECO process by defining what types of changes need additional third-party approval. For example, the third party could be quality engineer, if the changes might impact quality. Change the process flow to inspection before packing, instead of out-of-box inspection. This will reduce the chance of issue induced during out-of-box inspection, such as missing or mixed item. That is, the inspector might forget to put the item back into the packing box after the inspection. Improve new employee training program by incorporating practical test on top of just paper test. Here are more examples of actions to prevent recurrence. Update design rule document. Update manufacturing or engineering rule document. Update test rule document. Update workmanship standard or specification. Update FMEA and control plan. Change golden samples. Implement at other manufacturing sites too. Implement for other products too, include next generation products. Training is often required. Poka-yoke, error-proofing fixture. Post-mortem to be reviewed in management forum. Point to ponder. What is cancer cell? Actually, it is your own cell. The cell mutated to adapt to changing environments. Cancer cells are groups of cells mutating in an unnatural environment, our blood. Unless the environment is changed, more cells will mutate, sooner or later, it's just how they survive in a toxic environment. So what is the best treatment for cancer? After recovery from cancer, how to prevent recurrent? Feel free to share your opinion in comment column below the video. Congratulations! You have come to the last D8. Congratulate the team. Once the issue was resolved, recognize the collective efforts of the team. As part of the management, or team lead, your role in D8 is to determine the appropriate recognition for all team members who actively participated and contributed significantly. The possible recognitions could be appreciation dinner with senior management, free trip, forum for team to share the success story, recognize the team through employee notice board or Hall of Fame, delivering the certification of accomplishment, company bulletin, company annual function, in any formal meeting. Or it could be as simple as giving away free voucher or cash award. Last but not least, if applicable, ensure the patents are filed. For some engineers, they see patenting their solution as the highest achievement. Before we end the full training, allow me to share with you some tactics to drive effective 8D. If it is an external issue, effective customer communication is one of the critical parts of damaged control plan to win back the trust of customer. If the issue impacted multiple customers, standardize the communications to as much as possible, especially on corrective actions and containment proposal. Always communicate through same channel or same person. For high severity issue, which might even impact your company's reputation, strongly recommend your company to identify a spokesperson. Only this spokesperson is allowed to make formal communication or announcement to customer or public. This is to avoid mixed information from different personnel reached customer and confusing them. Share the risk assessment data with customer for them to make their own decision. My suggestion is never proposing any disposition decision to customer to prevent run into lawsuit legal issue later. Just present the facts with them and let them decide themselves the decision for the disposition. It is okay to over-communicate, unless stopped by your customer. Close follow-up with customer on issue closure. Sometimes we could not afford to wait till all the statistical sound data points are available to justify low risk. We might have time pressure due to business need. For this case, quick and just good enough data, which with wider confidence interval, might be better than long collected accurate data, which with narrower confidence interval. If you could not comprehend the meaning of confidence interval, it is okay to put aside this for now. There are times we need to escalate to management for help or support. Especially when you need a budget, you need production to release a machine for running experiment, etc. Track the time to close each issue, and report out regularly. Identify common actions which require significant longer time for closure. Is there any opportunity could shorten the closure time? Routinely categorize all the 8D issues by root cause, defect and severity to identify systematic issue, as a minimum, once a year. Report out the observed pattern and summary to drive systemic improvement. For example, if we observe top Pareto as design issue, then we might need to have better detection gate before design release. Lastly, this is an example of simplified responsibility assignment matrix, RAM, for 8D process. There are many RAM models. You can choose one suitable for your company. The intention is to show you the idea on how you can define a decision matrix for your own. In this example, quality engineer owns the authorization to initiate a 8D meeting, to make final decision on build hold, ship hold, and defining the containment boundary. While the technical subteam and containment subteam play most of the consultation role. For this example, operation is responsible for executing the screening at internal warehouse. And the planner owns the coordination of finished goods replacement, or RMA. This ends the full 8D structure problem solving training. If you see value in this video, please click on the thumb up and subscribe. This definitely will motivate me to make more quality video related to this. Just click on the show more in the description box below. You will find the links related to this training. If you see value in this video, please click on the thumb up and share. This definitely will motivate me to make more quality video related to this. Please click on subscribe too. This will ensure you would not miss any subsequent videos. Before we end the session, let's close our eyes, observe a moment of silence, pray with your own respective religion. May the community full of peace, and may the world free from disasters. Looking forward to see you in next video. Thank you.